Sometimes I find topics boring, and then I realize the boring ones are actually the important ones. Your homeowners association and/or your body corporate, these rules can kick your investment to the curb. Be very careful of willy-nilly just buying into a property and not really knowing and understanding how important these rules and management rules are to the value of your investment and your income and the long lifespan you will have with this property. There's a couple of things to consider, but number 1, 2, and 3 is, of course, you want to find stability, you want no surprises, and how do you do this? You need to look at strong management and strong financials. Second to that, you also want to check who's in charge of the maintenance. Are there going to be any extra costs? What are the consumables? Is the maintenance for the outside your maintenance or the body corporate's maintenance? And of course, who does what? You need to inspect what you expect. It takes time and energy. Be involved. Read the rules. Go to the meetings. If you sit on the sideline and expect somebody else to take care of your investment, it's not going to be an investment. So be in control of your own investment and don't let somebody else kick it to the curb and turn it from an investment into a bad choice. Happy investing.